podcast. Today we talk about how can you find your posts on your recap. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for us a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on account here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down. Then all you have to do, just click on posts and here in news feeds, click on it, and you click here on your posts. You just click on it here. So then here you will find all new posts you have on your recap. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.